Hi there, and please do not adjust your phone or computer. It's just that my outlets were put in upside down. I have this wonderful little gadget, the indoor swiveled current tap. Oh, this is a must for everybody. You got your 6 outlets and you have your two charging plugs here. This is a must for everybody. And again, no, you're not seeing things. Yes, it is upside down. It's just that the prong part that's supposed to go into the outlet does not fit my standard outlets. The building I live in was put together all wrong. But I swear by this product. It is the best thing out there. The one part I love about it is this part swivels. Isn't that cool or what? You got your 6 electrical outlets and you have your two USB ports. So this is a must for everybody. I just wish that I can still charge, I can still use it, but it's just like really weird. But I can still use it, I can still charge my phone or whatever. But I tell you, this is a really great buy. And it is from HomeHopes. I will have the Amazon URL on my YouTube.